Hi, GC News. Meva Obibia Akwaba. Mr. Say, so we need subscribe to the channel. Mr. Say, over subscribe. What do you say over click the subscribe button? Now, what barely notification? We have some beautiful food, no, we upload, no, what's everything. I feel we are now like video, no, no, my nothing. Share my offer for so now, we need to now worry. I feel you go yen 7. A year penny baku, our executive director, MI Info Analytics. I friend Musa Dankwa with the NCB Akida. 1 year researcher, whatever to do what they say a year. Napo, as I say, Bawumia Anas running meet for the home statistics. We have to do our about popularity. And I started rating the idea Napo is popular, but it doesn't go beyond Ashanti. There is other regions in the Napo and popular. Now, or the Kennedy Agyapong, which is a Kennedy or a popular pa, Kobebia, just a Kennedy be a airport. Now, what that is simply Eddie. Now, yes, some no Yinkuti and some penny Eddie to the I friend Musa Dakwa, a info analytics, one executive director, it in some what the Indeed.
I think the lesson is that the writing data don't focus the research in your base. Make it broadly to cover everybody. Because on the election of December, I never in Kwame.
Are you then suggesting saying can not trust Shibebu or Mwana?
That one I don't have the but also the question we asked on favorability. Do you have favorable or unfavorable opinion of certain individuals? Ashanti region clearly Napo talked with plus 60%, followed by Kennedy Agyapong plus 55. Professor Opukujina plus 43. And Dr. Ebitum plus 43. So in terms of popularity in Ashanti region, Napo, no doubt, is far ahead. Followed closely by Kennedy Agyapong. Then when it comes to Accra, we think that just Napo and Kennedy Agyapong ask the same question. Who do you, do you have favorable or unfavorable opinion of the following people? Here we Kennedy, our plus 3% positive. Dr. Matthew minus 11% or minus 11% of the class. It means that in Greater Accra, Napo will be a liability for Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia compared to Kennedy. But in a certain region, Napo will be an asset. But don't forget that Greater Accra is equally important to NPP as Ashanti region because almost 20% of all NPP supporters in Ghana are in Greater Accra, whereas 25% of them are region. Even though they win by larger margins in Ashanti region compared to Greater Accra, you cannot discount the volume of votes from Greater Accra.
Nti yati see ya asama Musa Dankwa wo kan say ye share Dr. Matthew Poku Prempeh ni favorability rate in the Greater Accra region 36% and unfavorable rate no so 47%. Into when you look at the net favorability rate now, it is Matthew Poku Prempeh is minus 11%. Let us say he becomes a liability on the ticket for NPP.
Yes.
Let us say the popularity may not surge beyond the borders of Ashanti.
From what we have seen in the data, as far as Accra is concerned, that is the evidence from the data.
Say, Uche Asante, a net favorable rate no for Kennedy Agyapong, a plus 55. As opposed to a Matthew Poku Prempeh plus 60. It is here the bar a Greater Accra. Then Kennedy Agyapong garners a net favorable rate of positive 3, as opposed to a Matthew Poku Prempeh negative 11.
Yes. So mathematically, it means that Kennedy would have been a positive figure for NPP than Matthew Poku Prempeh from the data.
Now, Obekan say, Adenti ena o share Ashanti any Greater Accra when in fact Greater Accra should be looked at with Central Region, Western Region, and Western North, as opposed to Ashanti region that can be a standalone stronghold. Ubakan census or the to any Greater Accra.
You know the argument in that to consolidate the NPP, and the NPP base, as I mentioned, over 45% MPs are in Ashanti and Greater. So you can't get anywhere to test the effect of this combination. And now, again, we don't have the money to go everywhere. We are constrained. We have to make.
So, on the whole, no, there's difference between the presidential and the parliamentary. Enti obi on the main no osmetro ama party no as opposed to say obeto ama bia presidential candidate be. Enti in the case of presidential candidate no Dr. Mahama de Bawumia, and it may be say in Ashanti Matupoku Prempe be complement no, but outside of Ashanti Dr. Bawumia will carry Matupoku Prempe behind him. If you are to make the analysis of Mahama de Bawumia, Napo, Nana Danko Akufo-Addo Bawumia, how would it come out?
Right. We did that analysis in both Ashanti region and Greater Accra. Oshe Nana Bawumia ticket in 2020. Among the people we spoke to, 84% voted for Nana Bawumia ticket. 15% voted for JDF ticket. 1% for other countries. But today, during the poll we just did, Bawumia Napo is 73%. Annan is 9%. Mahama is 16% on change. Nana Kwame 2%. So compared to Nana Bawumia ticket, Napo Bawumia is down 11%. The 11%, 9 for Allen, 2 echo, none with from this state. So on the basis that he is supposed to galvanize the base, no, he has not been able to achieve what Nana Bawumia achieved in 2020.
Just say the two of them are lagging behind Nana Bawumia.
Yes. As to whether this number would improve going forward, we would measure that and report back to the country. Also, Greater Accra of the same strategies. Nana Bawumia got 59% in the areas which were largely the constituencies. Mahama got 40%. Today, Mahama was 56%. So they have gone up 16%. And then Napo Bawumia is 41%, down 18%. Napo is up 3%. So on the same score, is probably worse, which is understandable, looking at the fact that Napo is negative in Greater Accra.
They will be peaceful in terms of their adoring of their running mate. Now, I feel so. Mark, I can assure you, say, Manasapono ain't free ho and ne ain't free tran. You know, it's required, and they are ho. Enti, Uran Apostle should be careful.
You mean within the party?
Yes. You know, it's required.
Mr. Tano, only say politics, and I will ask BBM.
and you'll be an a
Oh, sure.
And no current in here to Aba. Say you're Mahmoud Bawumia. Your percentage are on There's a party for maybe and support a bit of but we are. There's cooperation after competition.
Yeah, of course. That is
Uh-huh.
abnormally normal in politics.
The presidential candidate, has only one choice to select Nipaba.
Yes.
Say, or the one a buyer, your uncle for a because of Monson Yading, or the way a buy your Bodino, as seeing you as a party.
That's what I'm talking about.
Behind.
That's what I'm talking
because
about.
The bigger picture near Ghana, say, you bet me at one of my pa, yeah, and so. Ghana for GD or NPP. Ghana for GD say NPP near Manu Kua. Ye ba, ye no mamu munya so.
I agree with you. I'm saying, sir. I'm only saying, sir. Sir, otutu na namo ye.
Yes.
In this case, no, the Nkrofo mo against no, I can be very confident that they outweigh or more penal. That is why I'm saying, sir. The steps ontutu ni ye in bridging gaps and then building bridges. Or making sure, sir. Those are on one person important. Say these people are not on me, no. They are for me, no. When you embedding Sawaswa, very healthy. So they will gradually come on board. Some will never come on board, but that is how it is politics, right? In 22 namomi now His Excellency Dr. Mahama Bawumia, so the way I was on Buano. Now, but I can assure you, say, in a situation that NPP loses this election. The way
we are not losing.
No, I mean, I'm saying
we are winning. 7 December. You
mark it on the
simple.
Wall. We knew we were going to lose because of A, B, C, D, that.
It's simple.
It will come up, right?
Yeah.
So, media may wish him well tomorrow. Someone for air can fan hono. I know she. And interestingly, there are evidence to that effect. Until now that he's been nominated and going to be outdoored as a running mate, his posture from now going must be very different, highly different. Marketing himself will be very difficult in some regions. And so he should adopt a posture that will not infuriate anybody. He should adopt that sober posture that will reflect the party's past, not the present, because the present party, their posture, especially as Nanado as the driver. Omo posture ye kromo muhwe. Enti he should veer off Dr. Bawumia's posture. He should merge it. Say if you are talking about Bia, Usha odini huni na bibi na akotwa mama ahoma se banchi o se the amoyi o se body. Otherwise, Anka Owura Bawumia has a very fine posture. But when people compare Owura Bawumia and Owura Napo, they feel that it is a mismatch. But Owura Napo can do better by matching up with that particular demeanor of Dr. Bawumia. That will help the party. That will help his cause in terms of campaigning. That is where my issue lies. And I'm sure I will not be the only person to offer this advice. A lot of people will talk to him. He must go through counseling and then anger management, etc. All those things. Probably they should even get him a psychologist to mentor or...
I don't send the buffalo doana.
Something of the sort, right? Something of the sort, because you see, people of that nature, no, I'm part of it. When you know you are right in a particular area, you don't want anybody to overrun you. But that particular character, no, at long last, no more mujina bontin, they see you as obia, sabi umwadi, we are arrogant, etc., etc. So I would have loved that they get a counselor, the party will sit him down, anger management psychologist or whatever it is. Say before so bako kasa kurepo no. It is critical say the speech no man nko any time Rollins dey no. Your man speech no ato atwene. No wa ka dey ope bia e bi na akoye is it Ankara? Ankara na sa champion. Wone nkrafo hye omo deba omo aye bibia wie. Say na microphone no ya mark no. Na ye ndum no. And also, we bully us and in trouble. What you say? My campus so much trouble. Say now, you know, Edda life. What can I say much? They should be careful that, and I say he himself should be careful when he is going to speak. The speech must be coordinated. It must be targeted.
You're waiting for winning and somewhere here, penny or that global info analytics. I friend Busa Dankwa, need some of the 2 year 5 year popularity for a year Kennedy Agyapong and Napo concerts and now what the Africa. Because this is so and our channel 7 subscribe here. Let's just say over subscribe now. While I get nothing, watch a video, ama of Frosso NPP action. Also, bet me at working for and send me now. I will comment boxing. Mobati Minkabi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.